Hi, boys and girls. I'm gone today, but I still want us to work on our code.org website that we had started last time. We were putting together step-by-step directions or algorithms to try and get the bird to smash that pig. We had gotten part of the way through the puzzles, and I want us to continue that work today. So your substitute's going to hand out to you your card with your secret words on it. So you'll have that in just a second. When you get to your computers, go to Google Chrome and then find the CODE, the code logo, find the 2 for second grade, and then find your teacher, whoever that is. Go ahead and find and click on your teacher, and I'll use Miss Hoverston or Mrs. Hoverston as an example. Find your name. Here I am. No, wait, that's the other Carver. This is the real Carver. All right, that's me. And then your 2 secret words. Remember, there are no capital letters, and there's only 1 space. There we go. And then push sign in to sign in. All right. When it loads, you will see your work from last time. If you completed a level, it's going to be in green, and that means it's all done. You don't have to do it anymore. If you have a level that's in yellow, that means you started work on it, but you didn't fully finish. And so you will want to start on whatever yellow level you left off on. If you've just got green, like I have here, I would know that my next puzzle to work on is puzzle number 6. So I will start by clicking on puzzle number 6. When puzzle 6 loads, oh yeah, we were working with Angry Birds, that's right. I can listen to directions here if I need to, or I can kind of just go ahead and get started. And this one I remember, that's right, I'm needing to move the bird, so he's going to go forward and then forward again. And then I'm going to have the bird turn either left or right. And I want you to remember that you can tell your left from right by putting up your hands like this in front of you. And the hand that makes L, that's left, and the hand that makes, well, not an L, that's right. Remember that left and right is based on what the bird is facing. It's not what you're facing, it's how the bird is facing. And so in this case, if the bird is looking that direction, now you have to look like this. All right, so the bird has to go what direction? In this case, the bird has to go to the left. And let's see if I check. Yep, that should work. And then I'm going to have the bird move forward 2 more times, forward and forward. I'll push the run button down here and make the bird travel. Here he goes. He turns to the left and smashes that pig. Haha! Got you, pig. I want you to keep working through these levels again. Oh, this level is an interesting level because it uses a brand new block called repeat. Now, a repeat block, we'll work a lot more with a repeat block in a little bit, and it lets you use it if you want. You don't, I guess, have to use it. But in this case, I want to make sure that the bird turns so that he doesn't hit into this glass triangle. He'll move forward. He'll turn to the left. And then what happens is I need to move the bird 1, 2, 3 spots. So I can say 1, 2, 3. But since I'm just repeating that step 3 times, this repeat block here can be used instead. And it says, all right, so repeat what? Well, I want to repeat going forward. Great. How many times? 3 times. If you can figure out how to use a repeat block, like I said, we're going to actually study this a little bit more later on in the year. But if you can figure this out, repeat 3 times, go forward, you are more than welcome to, because a repeat block is going to make our work faster and easier to do. Let's see if I get it right here. Turn right. Forward, turn left, and then he repeats 3 times. 1, 2, 3, turn left, and haha, got it. If you reach the end, oh, this is a challenge puzzle, okay? So if you're like, all right, I'm ready, don't freak out about it. It's just trying to challenge you. What's probably going to happen is this. Use this button right here, step, to move the bird 1 step at a time. Looks good, looks good, step. Looks good. Step. Oh, he blew up. He blew up on that step right there. So I'm going to reset my puzzle, and I know I have to disconnect, trash this piece, and then bring it all back together. When you bring it all back together, try to make sure you keep it all lined up, keep it all as it should be. Don't try and grab the middle of it, because you're going to throw it off, okay? Connecting it here is going to mess up your step-by-step directions. It's going to mess up your algorithm. You want to make sure that when you reconnect pieces, they all stay in the same order that they were. When you reach the end, this is puzzle 11, move your bird to get to where he needs to go to get that pig right there. And when you beat it, it'll automatically move you on to level 3. Level 3 starts you off with a video about debugging, which is what you've already done a little bit. There are problems within a section of code, and you've got to figure out what that problem is and how to fix it. Level 3 is going to use Scrat from Ice Age, and so I can kind of see in this one, Scrat's going to move forward 2 times, but I think my problem is that he doesn't move forward enough. So I'm going to find the problem. He doesn't move forward. I'm going to fix the problem by dragging another move forward block out there, and then I'll reset and run it again. Let's see if he gets that putted. Ah, he got that acorn. All right. All right. Get as far as you can in either lesson 2 or lesson 3. Pick up where you left off and give it your best shot. Remember that you need to keep trying and keep trying, even if it gets difficult. And if it's really difficult, you might have to have, you can raise your hand and ask the substitute for help, or maybe you can ask the substitute for a friend to help you too. But I know that all of you can do it. You just got to keep trying. So give it your best shot, and I will see you when I get back.